Spicy Sriracha flavored peas by Hapi are a deliciously crispy, plant-based snack. These chili garlic flavored peas are enjoyed by lovers of spicy snacks all around the world. These spicy peas are imported by JFC International Inc., an importer of Asian foods known for their Happy Snacks brand. The packaging for the Sriracha flavored peas is a durable aluminum can that is resealable to maintain freshness. This tall can of spicy peas is perfect for anyone who loves a snack with a kick. The spicy Sriracha flavored kick comes from the chili and garlic spices used to flavor these peas. The spicy coating is not overwhelmingly hot, but hot enough to tickle your taste buds. The green pea flavor tastes sweetly fresh and is well complemented by the spicy Sriracha taste. The spicy chili and garlic duo is the first flavor that hits you when you bite down on one of these peas, followed by the naturally and subtly sweet flavor of the peas, leaving you craving for another crunchy bite. The crunchiness is satisfying and will leave you wanting more and more. There are 9 servings of spicy Sriracha peas in this can, which is enough to share with friends and family or to enjoy for a while all by yourself. Each serving size is about 1/3 cup or 30 grams of these peas and contains 130 calories, 3.5 grams of total fat, no cholesterol, 220 milligrams of sodium, 20 grams of total carbohydrates, 2 grams of dietary fiber, 4 grams of total sugars, and 4 grams of protein. These peas last for over a year and have their expiration date marked on the bottom of the can. Now, I will open up this can and show you how the spicy Sriracha peas look. Here, you can see a few of these peas. The spicy chili and garlic aroma is mouth-watering. The taste is sweetly spicy and the crunch is satisfying. You can enjoy these Sriracha flavored peas on their own, or you can incorporate them into a snack mix or other dishes. Consider adding these spicy Sriracha flavored peas on top of a sweet and spicy spring salad with cucumbers, avocado, and Sriracha dressing. Alternatively, you can create your own snack mix by combining these spicy peas with corn nuts, cashews, corn chips, and rice squares for a spicy and salty snack mix to enjoy on the go. I highly recommend these spicy Sriracha flavored peas for anyone who is a fan of salty and sweet chili flavored snacks. These spicy peas are a great alternative to potato chips because they are lower in sodium, fats, and sugars than regular potato chips. Also, be sure to subscribe to Karman Foods on YouTube for more reviews and recipes of the best curated Asian foods.